if you've never tried string hopper or Idiyappam Biriyani, you're gonna love this amazing blend of onions, spices, tomatoes cooked together before the shrimp is sauteed and it's all blended together. Instead of traditional rice, it's layered with string hoppers or idiyappams. Heat a cup of milk and add 1 tablespoon of ghee and a pinch of saffron, and I'm just going to allow this to steep till I need it. In a pot, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and some oil and allow the ghee to melt. Add 1 cup of sliced onion and allow it to sweat. Next, I'm going to add a few pieces of pandan leaves. This is optional. I'm also going to add half a cup of curry leaves. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste as well as 2 to 3 green chilies. Saute this. I'm going to add a bit more oil and I'm going to add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. I make my own blend. You can check out this recipe on my channel, but you can also just use store-bought biryani masala. Usually I don't add tomatoes to my biryani, but I do when I'm cooking with fish or shrimp as you don't get too much gravy. I'm going to add in 1 cup of tomatoes and mix this in. Add salt to taste, cover and cook this for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add half a cup of water. Mix this in and squish the tomato with the back of your spoon. Take the gravy out of the pan, add a bit more oil and add in 1 pound of shelled and deveined shrimp or prawn. Next, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of biryani masala and salt to taste. This should only take a few minutes to cook. I'm actually going to cook it while it's a little bit under, as it will continue to cook later as well. Add the reserved gravy back into the pot. Because I'm going to layer this, I'm going to remove half of the gravy. I have 400 grams of hoppers. You can use day-old string hoppers. Just either steam them or microwave them if they're too hard. And I'm going to add the first layer. Remember that steeped milk? I'm going to add half of this over the string hoppers or idiyappams. Next, I'm going to add the rest of the gravy. Add the second half of the hoppers or idiyappams and the rest of the milk. Cover this with a cup of fried onions and a little bit of food coloring, which is optional. You can put this in the oven if you like, but the string hoppers are already cooked, so I don't really want to get them overcooked or mushy. I'm just going to let it steam together on the stovetop for about 10 minutes. Add some coriander and enjoy this really quick biryani fix.